for breaking up these videos into such small sections like this, but I'm just getting stuff in waves, so I thought it'd be easiest to, I'm probably going to combine this with, like, when I get the rest of this stuff, which will be the last time. So yeah, in this little wave of stuff, I got my monitor, which is the ASUS VS247. It's an LED full HD 1080p monitor. Pretty nice. I'm excited about that. Next, I got my solid state drive. It's an Intel 320 series. It's 80 gigs. Use that as a boot drive. It's only SATA 2, but for around, I got it for like 110, I think. So I could have gotten like a SATA 3 64 gig, but I would rather have the more space. So yeah, and then for my power supply, I got a Corsair TX650M. It's a modular and 80 plus bronze certified power supply. Excited about that. Got that for a pretty good deal too. So yeah, see you guys in the next segment when I get the stuff. Hey you guys, what's up, Jake here. Just want to let you know that the rest of my stuff finally came. Just got it about like 10 minutes ago. And so, it's still in the box. I'm going to open it up and show you guys the rest of the stuff that I got. Holding this with one hand, so could be a little difficult showing you some stuff. Yeah. This reminds me of my first unboxing that I ever did, even though I'm not doing an unboxing, just showing you guys what I got. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Go. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. Okay. And some peanuts. Okay, first thing we see is my video card. Got the Gigabyte Radeon HD 6850. Didn't need anything more. This is more than enough. Next, we have Motherboard. It's an ASRock Z68 Extreme 3 Gen 3, so I can use it with Ivory Bridge if I ever wanted to. Next, operating system. Just got OEM version, Windows 7 Home Premium, because apparently the one I had, another one, my friend gave it to me, but apparently it was an upgrade version and he already used it, so I couldn't even use it anyway. Then I got an Intel Core i7 2600K. Probably won't even need to upgrade to Ivory Bridge because so far it doesn't look worth it, and that thing is going to be a beast. Next we have a free t-shirt. Cool. Probably won't ever wear that in public. That is what I ordered. You can see that. In here, I'm guessing, is the RAM. Hold on. Sorry about my poor video recording skills. Gosh dang it. And yes, I was right. Oh my god. I got the G-Skill Ripjaws Z16 gigs, DDR3 1600 megahertz RAM. It's made for the LGA 2011 socket, but it works fine with Sandy Bridge. And anything else in there? There is. Okay, don't need to show you guys that. That's just the beta code thingy I got for free, and there it is again. Don't want to show you guys that. Oh, is there anything else in here? Hang on, let me check. Don't think there should be. Got that. Yep, that's it. So yeah, that's basically everything I got. When I'm done building the video, or I'm done building the computer, I'll be back with you guys. Alright, see ya for now. Okay guys, I'm finally done with my build. Sorry, it's been a while actually since I finished it, but just wanted to do this when nobody was home, just so, I don't know, because whenever I do a video, the rest of my family thinks I'm like crazy that I'm talking to myself, so I try to do it when they're not home. Anyways, this is done and running. Got my blue LED on, case badges, got nifty, not nifty really, DVD burner thing. So I'll open it up and show you guys inside. I have a light, like, standing, like, right on it, but, just because there's not very good lighting in my room, so, hopefully you guys, ow, God, just hit my hand on the light. Hopefully you guys can see inside. So yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay, this is fine. Okay, I don't wanna, okay, so, there is, one of my fans. Took, one of the side ones out. Actually, I took this one and put it in the, hang on, before I show you guys this, I took out one of the side panel fans and put it in the front. I originally took out this fan right here, but, being stupid person I am, I tried to, I originally had it accidentally installed as a, as an exhaust fan in the front, and I meant to install it as a, intake, so I had to change that, and I was really impatient because I was rendering something, and I wanted to change it at, like, 12 in the morning, or midnight, whatever. So I got my pinky caught in the fan, and it broke off one of the, fins, and so it's still running. It kind of vibrates the side, but, like, when it's screwed in, it's fine. Probably, I can't get a stupid warranty, it won't replace it, but, I'll probably get a new fan anyway. So yeah, that's kind of annoying, but, anyways, enough, oh yeah, sorry, yeah, so yeah, enough of that. Also, when I was unboxing my stuff, I just watched it and realized how shaky I was with the camera. I tried doing, image stabilizer, but, or video stabilizer in After Effects, but it was just so shaky I couldn't do it, so sorry about that. Anyways, here is the inside. Oh yeah, that's fine. Tried to do my best for cable management. All this right here is just the extra fan cables when I get, well actually I can't install in here because my heatsink is way too big, but yeah, I'll eventually move that front fan, put a 140 mil there, and then move that here, and I'll get another 120, or 200 up there. So yeah, anyways, here's inside. Here is my 120 exhaust. I have another one for exhaust at the top, it's 200. Here's my Thermaltake Frio. There is my graphics card, it's Gigabyte. I said Gigabit in the other one, but I meant Gigabyte. Yeah, 6850. Here's my Corsair TX650M. I installed it upside down because there's a fan filter thing. I could probably remove this extra hard drive thing, but I'm too lazy, I'm not going to do it. There are my hard drives. I have my SSD at the top, and there's my actual Seagate hard drive. There's my RAM. There's actually, like, I don't know if I can show you this, but the clearance between the Thermaltake Frio and my RAM is like a couple millimeters. I had to put the fan on. I had to take it off and put it back on afterward because it wouldn't fit. And also, I'm having trouble with my front panel USB. I have it plugged in to what I think is, it says USB on it, but if any of you guys are smart with that kind of stuff, this is my first time doing builds, so I didn't know about that. So yeah, hope my cable management is good. I mean, it looks fine. These wires right here are pretty annoying, but I can't put them in. I have to plug them in there. Can't plug them in anywhere else, so they're just kind of dangling there. So yeah, I'll close that later, and I'll show you guys. There's my my mini fridge. There's my, behind my monitor is my USB internet adapter thing. Here, okay, so right now I am rendering an intro right now. I thought it was taking a while. It's taking like an hour per frame, and I was like, oh, this is going really slow. Something's wrong with my computer. But then I rendered it on my laptop, and it was about 6 hours per frame. So I was like, oh, yeah, that's actually pretty fast. So yeah, here are my temps at full load. I think those are pretty good. At idle, it's about 29 to 30s. So yeah, I hope that's good. Using like no RAM at all because I have really nothing open. Also, I don't know if you guys can see this because my Vado, I don't know if it's probably really blurry, but this is my like GPU meter gadget thing, and it's not working. Like if I go into CPU Z, I'll call it Z just for this video. If I go into graphics, it doesn't show anything for clocks. So if you guys know how to fix that, that would be greatly appreciated. And if you think my what's it called, temps are too high, then tell me. If you have any ways to make them lower, that would be helpful. Also, my voltage is at full load. It's at 1.312. It's also at 4.5 gigahertz. So if that's good voltage for that speed, then let me know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this. I will also do a follow-up video with my Cinebench. I'll try to get this running. I'll do a suicide run at 5 gigahertz just for Cinebench. I won't do it 24/7. That'd be really stupid of me. But anyway, yeah. Thank you guys for watching this. Hope you guys like my build. Spent a lot of money on it, and yes, I actually did buy everything except for like I bought all the expensive stuff. The rest of I got maybe like the DVD burner, the adapter, wireless adapter. I got that for like Christmas. But yeah, enough of me rambling. See you guys in the next video. Adios.